Awa ajibtum, do you wonder? 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 An ja'akum, that has come to you. 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 Zikrun, a reminder. 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 Min Rabbikum, from your Lord. 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 Ala rajulin, on a man. 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 Minkum, among you. 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 Liyunzirakum, that he may warn 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 you. Vazkuru, and remember. 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 Is, when. Is, when. Is, when. Is, when. Is, when. Ja'alakum, he made you. 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 Khulafa'a, successors. Khulafa'a, successors. Khulafa'a, successors. Khulafa'a, successors. Khulafa'a, successors. Min ba'di, after. 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 Qawmi Nuhin, the people of Nuh. 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 Wazadakum, and increased you. 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 Fil khalqi, in the stature. 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 Bastatan, extensively. Bastatan, extensively. Bastatan, extensively. Bastatan, extensively. Bastatan, extensively. Fazkuru, so remember. 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 Ala Allahi, the bounties of Allah. 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 La'allakum, so that you may. 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 Tuflihun, succeed. Tuflihun, succeed. Tuflihun, succeed. Tuflihun, succeed. Tuflihun, succeed. أَوَا عَجِبْتُمْ أَنْ جَاءَكُمْ ذِكْرٌ مِّن رَبِّكُمْ عَلَى رَجُلٍ مِّنْكُمْ لِيُنذِرَكُمْ وَاذْكُرُوا إِذْ جَعَلَكُمْ خلفاء من بعد قوم نوح وزعدكم في الخلق بسطة فاذكروا آلاء الله لعلكم تفلحون. Do you wonder that a reminder has come to you from your Lord on a man from among you, that he may warn you? And remember when he made you successors after the people of Noah and increased you in stature extensively. So remember the bounties of Allah so that you may succeed.